Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ACG Mountain Fly Low 2. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. Try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank our subscribers. New and old, without you guys we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ACG Mountain Fly 2 lows. We've got this in the gridiron black summit white colorway in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's a US 8.5. So this is the second iteration of the Mountain Fly lows, and here they are. Really dope. I'm a big fan of ACG. Obviously that gold core look is not going anywhere anytime soon. I love a trail runner. We've done tons of ACG sneakers reviews in the past here on Oneupreviewz, so do check those out if you get them second. And this is very sleek, and this was built for the trails. I mean, we're going to show you the details right now, so we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a lugged rubber outsole. I don't know why I did that. This is a lugged rubber outsole. And you can see all that little nubs as well coming out, like little spikes. It's there for your traction, there for your grip as well, because this is designed for trail running. Look, if you didn't know. And ACG, what does that mean? That means all conditions gear. So this is designed for all conditions. So this rubber is does have a name. It's 045 Hager rubber. It's right there. If you move on to the midsole unit, and where the outsole extends, you can see it's got the name right there at the toe. It's there for that grip, and you got the ACG logo that's on the toe. And on the midsole, so this midsole unit is a foam midsole. This doesn't have React. This is just a normal foam. Otherwise, it would have been called a React, if I remember correctly. But it would have been really dope if they were able to have a React insole, midsole unit also. But if you look around, you've got all conditions gear and the heel. Now the upper, you're made of synthetic materials, very breathable. Right there, you can see that the see-through mesh. It's right there. You got your lacing system. That's a really quick action, quick lace system. However, it looks like it's just similar to an XT6 or an XT4 from Salomon. You can kind of like toggle your laces right there. So you've got a toggle to make it a bit tighter where you need you. And you've got a very nicely padded tongue with the ACG logo. And a nice touch from the laces is that you've got that it is ACG and it's Planet Earth, made on Planet Earth. That's what the lettering says. Looking at the main body of the sneaker, as I mentioned before, you've got tons of synthetic materials. You've got this rubber-esque kind of material that makes the mud guards right there, that goes all around the sneaker. Again, as I mentioned before, you've got this see-through mesh, and on the lateral side you've got the ACG lettering there. On the heel you've got the pull tab with the ACG logo, and you've got a foam insole with the ACG branding also. Something that you won't be able to see until you take off the insole is that this has a carbon fiber plating system. It's there for your stability also. Really excited to try these on for you guys. Big fan of Nike, ACG, anything ACG. Really, we love here at Oneupreviewz because I'm big into that Gold fashion at the minute. That's just me. Let us know what you feel about Gold in the comment section below. Right now, here's the on-feet review. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I am EK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. These are very comfortable sneakers. I feel very elevated because of the outsole. And they look pretty cool, if you don't mind me saying. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. It's on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.